Generating $1,000 a month is the exact threshold where a project transitions from a hobby to covering actual utility bills. It proves viability. Hitting this specific number requires committing to a rigid 12-month strategic timeline. There is no overnight wealth algorithm. The core misconception causing most creators to fail is defining passive income as zero effort. True passive income demands heavy front-loaded effort. Using generative tools to simply speed up active tasks, like writing a freelance article, does not change the fundamental nature of the required labor. The distinction lies in whether you use AI to execute a temporary task or use it to construct a permanent digital asset. True passive income requires decoupling the time you invest from the revenue you generate. You are turning your labor into equity. We can observe the limits of active AI-assisted income clearly. If you use AI for freelance articles, your payment remains strictly tied to isolated deliverables. This graph models that linear relationship. One unit of work results in a single payment spike, dropping immediately to zero. The fatal flaw is vulnerability. If you stop working, the line flatlines completely. AI speed provides zero protection. Overcoming this requires building compounding digital assets that accumulate value over time. Watch what happens when a system uses AI to build an asset. A single initial input point generates a continuous, rising output line that survives without your daily intervention. These streams fall into two distinct types: compounding assets like search-based content and scalable products like digital downloads. To succeed, you must utilize AI as an architect building permanent systems rather than as an advanced freelancer completing disposable gigs. This structural model illustrates why relying on a single passive income stream is riskier and slower. Instead, we stack three complementary streams. Stream 1 is the traffic engine, specifically an AI-assisted faceless YouTube channel. You deploy AI for rapid ideation, script structuring, and voiceover generation, condensing what used to be a multi-day production cycle into a few hours. The value of this asset lies in the back catalog of videos that continues to earn ad revenue indefinitely, regardless of when they were first published. Stream 2 is the scalable asset. This is a one-time build digital product, structured as a prompt guide or specialized template. Operationally, you use AI to handle the deep research, structural formatting, and layout design of this product. Because it exists digitally, it possesses zero marginal cost of reproduction. Selling the 1,000th copy requires the exact same effort as the first. While the traffic engine gathers a broad audience, the scalable asset captures financial value from the highest intent tier of those viewers. Stream 3 is the monetization layer. This consists of targeted affiliate links embedded directly into the assets you already built. This is the most efficient stream on the board because it requires absolutely zero standalone content creation. It exists to monetize the segment of your audience that consumes your free content but declines to purchase your digital product. Notice how these three isolated nodes snap together. This is the synergistic loop, a cohesive, self-reinforcing system. The user journey maps directly to this structure. YouTube drives the initial traffic, the digital product converts buyers, and affiliate links capture the remaining viewer trust. This specific triad prevents your own assets from cannibalizing each other for audience attention. Stacking these concurrent streams reaches the $1,000 threshold significantly faster than waiting for one linear stream to mature. Reaching that milestone requires engineering a structural ecosystem where every single viewer interaction is monetized simultaneously. This model fails if you quit due to mismatched temporal expectations. Laying the groundwork is slow, hidden work. During months 1 and 2, your complete focus is on foundation building, proving your YouTube format. This timeline tracks expected revenue. For the first 2 months, the expected income is typically $0 while the foundation is being established. Months 3 and 4 activate your monetization. The channel crosses partner thresholds and the digital product is officially launched. You introduce your affiliate links here. By activating the multi-stream architecture, early AdSense and initial sales bring the total to between $50 and $200. Months 5 and 6 initiate stacking acceleration. Your back catalog of videos begins generating consistent daily views. That established audience trust now drives digital product sales and affiliate clicks concurrently, updating the total to between $300 and $600. The first 6 months are strictly about constructing the engine and priming the algorithm. These $0 months represent the cost of entry for building a compounding system. Months 7 through 9 bring compounding growth. This is the phase where the combined revenue from multiple streams finally overtakes your linear effort. Older content continues to earn recurring revenue with zero additional daily input. As all 3 synergistic streams operate at scale, the resulting revenue jumps to between $600 and $1,000. Finally, in months 10 through 12, the system hits stabilization. The $1,000 monthly floor is reached and maintained through system momentum. The critical external variable that dictates success is consistency. Missing content production weeks early on delays this entire timeline proportionally. While AI tools accelerate your production velocity, they cannot bypass the chronological time required for algorithms to establish audience trust. Successful system architects treat this as a disciplined 12-month build. They execute with precise, unbroken consistency, while hobbyists quit during the foundational phase. True AI-assisted passive income is a rigorous architectural project. Executed correctly, it permanently decouples your time from your earning potential.